Let's 3D print some Bratz stands. I designed these stands using Rhino 3D. The pegs are to hold their shoes. I've finished designing. Let's slice them and start printing. I'm using a multicolor PLA so they look shiny and have a gradient effect. Printing, printing, printing. Almost done. Here's Yasmin's stand. It's a lavender and purple gradient. It matches her outfit. It's so perfect. Iconic.